Historically, winter is the time of year when our long-term test fleet undergoes major changes. Seasoned veterans leave and rookies arrive. One car we're sadder to say goodbye to than most is this Lincoln LS V8. While Lincoln's first serious attempt to build a European-style luxury sports sedan, the excellent LS makes it seem like the venerable American brand has been doing it for decades. We actually kept the LS longer than normal, 14 months, and managed to tack 21,169 miles onto its rigid chassis. We have nothing but praise for its Jaguar-derived 252 horsepower 3.9-liter V8, nor its 5-speed auto manual transmission. The transmission is part of the sport package that also includes a tauter suspension and 17-inch wheels. But even if you go with the standard suspension, which is first-rate, we still recommend the Advanced Track Stability System for secure all-weather rear-drive performance. Fuel economy rose steadily through our test, ending with a fine average of 21 miles per gallon. One area that the LS did not emulate its European brethren was in repairs. We had no unexpected mechanical problems, not a one. Plus, routine maintenance costs were minor. What else can you say? The LS will have a lasting memory with us. Another vehicle undergoing a long goodbye is this 2000 Mazda MPV ES. While not as large a minivan as some, the MPV trades a little space for some of the driving pleasure Mazda cars are noted for. We won't go so far as to say sport minivan, but it's close. Something else the MPV does its competitors don't is provide roll-down windows in the second row, a nice touch. On long trips, the MPV is comfortable and stable. We wouldn't mind a bit more power than the 170-horse 2.5-liter V6 provides. It's fine for passing, but breathes heavy when fully loaded. Rumor is a bigger V6 is in the wings. Mileage on our MPV was good for a minivan, 20.2 after 23,944 miles. No serious problems to report either, although the in-dash CD changer did jam with a disc inside just before a long trip. Bummer. But rather than being bummed out about the MPV leaving, we're taking comfort in its replacement, this 2001 Mazda Tribute. The Tribute, along with Ford's Escape, are our Motorweek Driver's Choice picks for Best Small Sport Utility Vehicle of the Year. So over the next year, we'll see if it lives up to our expectations and to the excellent service provided by the MPV. We'll service two very different four-wheel drive vehicles, this Audi TT Coupe Quattro and the new Suzuki XL7 on our next Motorweek long-term road test update.